What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. It's a quick tips and tricks. I mean, you know, from me, the professional, I'm you know, the only person that you should ever take advice from. I've been playing with this, my entry into model car 1589's Lowrider Group build, and it wanted to share something that I've kind of started to do when I'm working on something that I'm going to change or alter, fabricate. Usually the ride height, I will get out from the kit all of the stock components, you know, where the wheels attach. You know, if I'm going to make a change, I want to hopefully be able to make my change similar, right? So I want to be able to take one of the wheels that I print and take that portion, glue it to the back, and then that just makes that connection easy breezy. It doesn't always work out this way. And a lot of times it becomes a major pain. After the fact, I'll discover, oh gosh, the motor has to sit right on top of that, and I'll wind up cutting parts out afterwards or whatever. But with this, it's going to be pretty simple. I've already established that I'll probably just chop those off, chop the springs right off, and then either heat and twist a little bit, or maybe just flip the springs the opposite direction. One way or the other, it's going to glue these straight to the bottom of the frame, and then you'll never see any gap between those. So whatever, it's all just visual. It's all smoke and mirrors and make-believe. So this is this is part of what I'll do. I'll take everything and make sure it's all tight and solid the way that it's going to be. You know, later when you glue it, you get everything as flat and flush and square, and then you have a good platform to work from. And you can see there's plenty of give under the wheel wells that, you know, if it goes up or down that much, it's not going to matter. I mean, it's supposed to be a lowrider anyway, so, you know, the kit already comes lowered stance as it is, a street truck, so this should be relatively easy. Knock on simulated wood grain. But that's about it. Just wanted to share a little, if you're going to try and change something, alter the ride height, try to stick with your stock connectors as much as you can. And then at the same time, this is sort of a reveal of what I'm going to be putting into that lowrider build. So that's about it. I'll take pictures as I go, and we'll see what it looks like when it's done. Already kind of an idea for the color.
I love gold!
I want to experiment with some stripes, some reveals, like some silver, some golds, and some other stuff. That's about it. Thanks for watching.